Okay, so now I've grounded the ears off. It doesn't look that pretty, but you know what? It took me freaking 10 minutes. What's the big deal? Okay, now I'll turn around and guess what? Ugly? Not ugly. Ugly? Not ugly. Is anyone going to see the ugly? No. And then I'm just going to take the T-clamp, get it down on there, and we're good to go. And because I cut that lip into it, it's never going to come loose. I've gone up to at least 25 pounds of boost. No guys that have gone up to 30. Not that this T3 can handle that kind of boost, because some knuckleheads will try it anyways. But anyways, it definitely works like that. And you put it on there, and you're good to go. Okay?